Means
First,
what
we
we have
need
done.
to
Let
write.
me tell me like what we are doing in sum of digits. What is your task? Like means how to calculate sum of digit. Means exactly what we are doing that time.
We are taking a number and
Mm-hmm.
making it bigger bigger than zero, greater
Okay.
than zero,
Mm-hmm.
and we are just dividing it by 10 and making it into one single digit. Like
Yeah, we
there
are
is
dividing also as well as doing models, right?
more also. Yes.
Because two things we have understood. Whatever we have a number, with that number, we are using divide by 10 sometime and
Yes.
mod
Yes, sir.
10 sometime. Okay.
What?
And
So that
yes,
there is a difference is that when we are a mod 10, it will give us a reminder, right? Obviously, you are dividing something by mod 10, so last digit will be the came. The output will be a 3. So we are separating this number step by step. So, and after
yes,
dividing
sir.
1, 2, 3 by 10, so we'll get the question. What digits? So we'll getting output as a 12. So in that way, we can getting a last digit as well as uh, numbers. Okay. One more
Yes,
program today we are going to do, which need same logic as sum of digit. Okay. But little bit some difference is there. First, understand that number is called as an Armstrong number. Have you aware about the word Armstrong number?
No, sir.
Okay, let me tell you what
no,
is
sir.
Armstrong number. See, it's the same logic we need to apply. In sum of digit, what we are doing. So today's program is Armstrong number. Armstrong number. So these are some program which are logically are strong. So let's go here. Armstrong. One. Where is it? Pen? This Number. Armstrong. See, the Armstrong number means suppose you have the number as a 1, 5, 3. Assume. The first target is to be separate all the number and make a cube of all numbers. What is a cube of 1? 1 itself, right? 1 into 1 into
Yes.
1. It is a 1. What is a cube of 5?
Cube of 5, 125.
125. 5 into 5 into 5, right? So
Yes.
1 plus,
Yes, sir.
I mean that
120.
125 plus cube of 9 is 3 is
27.
27. Can you add all this number? How much it becomes? 1 plus 125 plus 27. But sum,
153.
153.
so means that any number after separating and making a cube of that number is equal to the original number, then that number is known as Armstrong number.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So that program we need to do means the same logic we needed, and just before adding, we need to calculate the cube of that number and then add, right? So last program, what we have done, we are doing the same thing. Instead of 1, 2, 3, what we are trying to do, we are adding a 1 plus
Adding.
3.
Yes.
Right? So same thing we
Yes.
need to do. Just before adding, take a cube of that number and then add, right? Slightly
Yes,
change
sir.
will be there. And
Yes.
also we need to store the original number at some number, so that the original number should be get compared with the after sum of numbers. If both
Yes.
are equals, then that number is considered as an Armstrong number. Else, not Armstrong number, right? So let's go step by steps. We'll do it. What is your first target? Accept number from user.
User.
Okay.
Yes.
Uh, So take one file first, a new project. As usual, editor. Let's go here, create a new file, new class, ARMS, arms, STRNG, Armstrong number. Right? Okay. Okay, it's a main class. Finish. What's your first job? Accept a number from user. Scanner SC is equal to a new scanner. Perfect. So here we're writing system
Yes. System dot
dot
in.
in. So go here at semicolon. The import
Yes.
java.io dot util dot star. Or scanner, you can say that. Yeah. So we'll
Yes.
add some like give some input SY. So enter a number. ENTER, enter a number.
Number.
Right? So we need to store some number at somewhere. So let me take as an integer n, that is a number. So it is an object dot accepting number. Next time it is a function. Perfect.
Next time.
Okay.
Yes.
What we'll do, we'll store the OG, like one take original variables, and I will store here. What do you mean by this? So it is meaning that we need a original number in original state so that we can compare this number with some calculated number, right? Otherwise, what happen? We are you making a changes in n. The original number should be get changed. Assume that we have accepted one number as a 153. So that means OG hold 153, and we'll make a changes in n. So we are dividing it. We are doing a mod. We are calculating it. So the value of n will be get changed. So that's why original number we going to compare after the calculation of n. Means separating number and cubing that number and adding that. Okay,
Yes.
up to this now. Okay, now our logic we can start. So what's our logic basically? And we also need one sum for storing some values.
Yes.
So as usual, so we'll take one while loops means until our number is greater than 0, right?
Yes.
So
Yes.
within that loop, first thing what we are doing, we are getting a reminders, right? How we get the reminder? By the mod number 10.
More by 10. More by
Mod
10.
by 10. Right. So after mod by 10, we'll get one separate number. Suppose assume that as of now we have 153. 153 mod 10. What will be the value here?
15.
Not 15, it's 3, na?
Yes.
Reminder. 150 is
Yes.
a 15 is a 150. What is reminder? Now 3. So
3.
our job is to be in last time what we are doing, just we are doing a sum is equal to sum plus reminder we are doing, right? But now
Yes,
for
sir.
Armstrong, what we need to do, we just not simple adding that number. Before adding that number, we need to take a cube of that number, right?
Yes.
We are taking a cube means what we need to do here, calculate means multiplying by that same number 3 times, it automatically become a cube,
Yes.
right?
Yes.
So I will just take one simple variable as r, so it will be easy for calculation. So r into r, sorry, r into, that means whichever the numbers is become a reminder, taking a cube and adding into sum. So this thing will be goes on. Then later on we can minimize the number. Means we'll do n is equal to n divided by 10. Right? Why we're doing? Because initially it is a 153. Then in second iteration it will become 15, and third iteration it will become 1. First iteration we are taking separate number 3, that cube become 9. In the second iteration we are taking 5, as a cube become 125. In third iteration it will become 1. Sorry, not 9, it is a 27.
Yes.
So we are making cube, and last time it become 1. Cube is also 1. Okay? So this thing will be a keep on create separating and adding the number. So at the end, what is our job? We need to compare the number, sorry, sum with the original number. So we have stored the OG number, original number. So we go simply here. What we are going to do, if we are adding a conditions, if original number is equal to sum, okay, sum of cube of digit separating number is equal to the original number, then we can write the number, given number is what? Armstrong number. Armstrong number, Number. Okay. Else, else. It is not sorry, it is not colon. It is a Python syntax. I have habit of Python as well. Control space, not Armstrong. Okay. You can make it as an ARR also, not Armstrong. ARMS. Spelling is wrong. ARMSSTRONG. Armstrong. Strong. Armstrong. Not a Armstrong. No. Perfect.
Yes, sir.
So how the flow of programs? Initially, we are taking one number,
Accept number. Yes.
right? Then we are storing that original number into some variables. Okay. Then we are initializing the sum. Then this while loop, because until the number is a greater, we need to keep on executing this loop. At very initially, we are just modding that number. After mod 10, we'll get one separate number, and with the help of that separate number, we are adding into a sum. And before adding sum, we are making a cube of that. Okay, and it is for separating the questions, not reminders, so that the original number will be get minimized by one digit, one digit, one digit, and then all the digit will be get separated. After adding the cube, we are having a sum, final sum. The final sum is equal to the original number, then it is considered as an Armstrong number, or else it is not an Armstrong number. Okay. So let's run this file. We have run this. I think we console is get disturbed. So let me reset it. Yeah. So here you have a console. Suppose the number is something else, 555. It's not Armstrong. Okay. 125 into
Yes.
125 plus maybe a 64 or something. It is not Armstrong. So let run it is one more times. 153 is an Armstrong number. Now it is an Armstrong number.
Okay.
Perfect.
Yes.
Got the
Yes, sir.
logic? Okay, fine. So these are the number.
Yes, sir.
Understood logic?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now we'll take some more programming, like based on number programs. So we have done the sum of digits. So I will give one task for you. You just need to complete. It is same as an
Yes.
like sum of digit only. But only thing your job is to be if thing is that if the sum of digit is become a 9, then you can say that the number is a VIP number. So the task is basically you have to take. We have not done yet a string functions. So we have one software in our company, and that the job is to be. You might know that number plate, right? For the bike number plates, or it may be for wheeler number plates. So I'm talking about a Nasik. So what will be this number plate is a MH. MH stand for Maharashtra.
Ramesh.
Then we have
15.
15 is a like state code is there. Nasik state code. As Pune is having a 12 and 123 is for Mumbai, Thane and all that things. After that, we have a four-digit number. It may be anything. Suppose as of now, my
Yes.
number is 7 double eight 4. It's my bike number. So thing is that if you add the all this number, what is the sum? Just add this all the
So 27.
27.
27. Again, you need to add this number. What will be the sum? 2 plus 7,
9.
9. It means after adding until the last, what you are means until the single digit you got, right?
Yes.
If that it number become a 9, then it is a considered as a VIP number. So this number
Yes.
will be, you not get easily. You need to pay extra money for this. So that is the example. If you see any branded four wheelers, any branded, your Mercedes, Audi, and Fortuner, anything, you'll always find that this number will be the 8181,
Yes.
right? 0333.
The special numbers.
Yes.
It is not special number. You can just keep
The
on add.
V8
Get
one.
the sum 9.
Yes.
Okay. 5454. 18. 1 plus 8, 9. 9 plus 9, 18. 18 plus 1 plus 8, 9. So these are the VIP numbers. You can find any odd number. And single digit 9 number is too costly. It's no one can get easily. Thing is that this is sum. You can observe the bike on the road, you can find that easily because the 9 number is considered as unchanged number. Okay, you cannot change the number as a 9, it will become unchanged. For example, assume that you are adding, means that number will be get separated, 9 will become as it is. Means if you add this number as a 5, right? 9 is a number you are trying to add into the 9 as a 5. So what will be the sum?
14.
14.
14. Means 1 plus 4, how much it become?
5.
5. So the 5's get separated. 9 is doesn't affect. So that it's one myth, or I don't know the what exactly the scientific things, but they think that 9 is a some kind they never get changed. And actually in mathematical terms that is not get changed. So remain unchanged, and sum is a digit as 9. So this is a one kind, and also there is a story I heard that somewhere. I don't know that is really true or not. You may heard about the Mahabharata, right? Have you heard about the Mahabharata?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Good. So in Mahabharata, you may know about a Rath, right? So,
Yes, sir.
means
Yes, sir.
uh, the Rath means it kind of vehicle that Vishnu Bhagwan is trying to ride.
Yes.
So they
Yes,
have
sir.
a horses, right?
Yes.
So there is a myth. I don't know actually. There is nine. They have a nine horse. So that is considered. It is a good number for the vehicle. So this may be the reason.
Yes.
Like there is a nine number is very popular, and it's two things. The mathematical terms of also it is a good, and in terms of vehicle, so it is the first rides that is nine having a 9 horse. So that may be one kind of myth to having a nine number as a VIP. Okay, so job is to be a develop such a program, so that means it is a kind of software. You can consider that you are doing a one software in Java which accepting a vehicle number, and it's giving you know whether number is a VIP or not. And even though for the general knowledge,
Yes.
I will tell you something. It's quite interesting because I have worked on this software. That's why I'm like explaining. So you have ever wonder why the number plate having a 4 digit? Why not it is a five? Why not it is a six? And even though you can observe the number plate have a series like A B, then we
Yes, sir.
have a BA, then you can
BA,
find
yes.
something up to Z or up to DV or anything. What exactly the role? Okay. You might don't know, but I worked on this software. So basically, this means that why it is a 4 digit? Because it's a 10,000 combinations. Okay. Means last longer number for the 4 digit will be 9999 in 9,999. Okay. Means it's a combo of 10,000. So initially, whichever four-wheeler, it may be a bike, if you are seeing in the market, which are in very newly launched, you always find that number series will be AA. And if you find that number up to this 9999, once this
Yes.
number is means
Yes, sir.
you can consider as any bike branded. It may be a suppose I'm assuming that Mahindra is a car, right? So they have launched new things. So the very first vehicle whoever buying, so they will get the series as AA and up to the 10,000 number. Once the 10,000 car sold, the next digit will become A3
AB.
and then
Sir?
again 10,000.
Yes, sir. So it is like in Excel we are getting the cell number and it is changing like that only.
Yeah, that kind also you can consider, but in general, knowledge I'm sharing because you can ever like maybe you are wondering something why the series of this A, B, A, Z, and something. Yeah, means assume that you are like seeing some vehicle which is at like H and B, H M. So assume that it is A, B, C, D, A, F, Z. This series is goes up to A, Z, and after that it will become B, A, then up to B, Z. Then again it will become CA up to CZ. So means you
Yes,
can
yes.
just observe your plate. I'm talking about Indian. I don't know about like out of what it's exactly this thing is there. But in Indian region he worked, so I know this. Okay. So my bike number is DV. So I have old bike also, that DV. Current bike having a BH. So means before the 2 lakh, like they're like maybe a 2,50,000 bike has sold to the bike. So that the kind of number thing is happen while with the number plates. So now we are not talking about this number plates. Even though means you can add that logic also. The first target is to be our accepting a number. We are not worked up to on string functions. So later on we can come on that project or this program as well. So every time we have a number like MH, 15, anything. So we have a 4 digit number like this. So currently we will
Yes.
just focus on this 4 digit number. Okay. When we'll study a string function, at that time what we are going to do? Okay, after MH 15 there will be no some series number. So I forget to write. Suppose HB and then we have number, whatever that 8181. So in general, this is a sequence. The current job is to be just finding the sum of digits and to the last number. Means and like it may be a by chance or somewhere to get a two-digit sum. Okay, it may happen, na, if you're getting a two-digit sum. So you need to again
Yes, sir.
add a logic, a same logic for this number also until you get a last number. Okay?
Last number has only 9.
Not only nine, it may be anything. Okay, it's not just a nine I'm
Okay.
talking about. Just
But it
for
should
like
be a single number.
a single digit up to like.
Yes.
So if you make a sum of digit, what will become 8 plus 4, 12, 12 plus 3, 15 plus 2, 17. Okay, but do not stop
Yes.
here. Again, add the loop and sum will become 8.
8.
So this logic we have to apply so that it will be until the last digit will get the sum. So means sometime you need to add a two loop. Okay, the same loop will be there, but it's a two time loops. So initially, we'll up to now we are just have basic programming, so we can just focusing on this number. But later on, after studying a string function, we'll focus on this number as well. So based on this, we need to give the message that how many bikes are sold up to now, or what is your bike number will be. Okay, that logic will be tricky, but you can just very easily you can consider. So as you know, for selling one series A to A, there is a 10,000. Means A to Z means a 26, right? Into 10,000. What will become? 2,60,000.
Like 60,000.
Yes, sir.
This many bike are said to complete A to Z series, right? So
Yes.
every
Yes.
digits means you are going with a B. Then you are if you are moving to the CA. So before it becomes CA, there are 5,20,000 bike cassettes. Okay. So we that program will be the bigger and bigger. But the thing is that you can keep on applying the logics. And later on, even you can like we'll also study some array kind of concepts or some kind of stories, so that you can keep all things in some arrays. And from that, you can find MH means Maharashtra. Okay, means Gujarat. MP means Madhya Pradesh, right? RJ
Yes,
means
sir.
Rajasthan.
Let's done.
AA means Karnataka. That also you can be split it. So it is actually a Java is a very good programming, or you can say that it kind of enterprise programming. You can solve any logical problems with the help of Java. It will help throughout any kind of programming. Okay, I have done so many big programs, but I have never feel that how can I solve with the help of Java. Java is some kind of language using that you can solve any problem. Okay, it will provide a solution at any levels. So that is the reason why so many industry prefer to use Java, and this is also one kind of reasons all the banking domains are worked on Java technology. Okay, so we'll study all the things step by step. So now this target is to be sum of digits, and again up to the last
Yes,
digit.
sir.
Okay.
Yes.
See, we have already done the program, so I'm not going to type all the things again and again. Um, where we have an Armstrong number, or maybe so not Armstrong number, a sum of digits. Yeah, right. So you have already this number. Suppose if I run these programs, we'll go with the Java programs, right? Suppose assume that there is a 8181. What is sum?
18.
18. So not a single digit, right?
Yes, so we have to add.
Then means we need to again add this number,
Yes, sir.
make a sum of digits. So after having a two
Yes, sir.
digits, we can add one more time. That is 1 plus 8 is equal to 9. Or it may be anything. It's not about a 9. but for a single digits. So means uh, get a sum of digit until the last digit you find, right? So what will I do? I'm not going to type all the things. We already have a sum of digits, right? I'll just copy this and I will go here and create one more file. Sum of digit means up to last, whatever it up to ls or main class. Same logic will be the applied for the single sum. So we can do as it is. We know the logic now, separating number, adding number, and all that things. Now consider as if how you will come to know that you know just tell me the conditions. We need to add a one more loop, means this, right? One more time. But on what basis you will
We,
decide that a number is two digits? What will be the conditions? How will you come to know that this is number is no or like two digits?
We can use the if else.
Hmm.
If else we can
But what is the
use
conditions? Means what is the situation that will no will can repeat one more while loops?
do while.
No, that is okay.
We,
See, we are getting
yes.
a sum of digits sometime 18. But we need to find if it is 18 when it is a two digit, right? It's not a single digit, no? So just okay, now just me run this program. Assume that if I'm getting enter the number where the program 1111, right click, run as Java applications. Where is the console? Okay, okay, we have not saved this program. Let me save this program. Run as Java applications. It is running. So if I am entering only
Yes.
1111, what is sum of digits? 4.
4.
Then there is no need to repeat the loop again unnecessary. Only when we getting a two digit number, at that only I need to repeat this loop one more time. So I'm just asking you like what will be the condition where we need to repeat this loop again. How will you check this digit is a two digit number or not? It's very simple logic and you should think about it. How will be they consider that this is a two digit number or no two digit number? Two digit number means what?
With 2 digits like 1 and 2.
number having
12.
two place value.
Wait, that I know that this two-digit number means a two number. Means what will be the criteria so that you can decide now it is a two-digit?
So we can add an if
And
else, we can write else, and we can write the variable, and
How will you
we
come to
can
know that
execute
this
it.
number is the two-digit number? Alright, it's quite simple now. The two-digit number means what? The number which is a greater than 9. It's a simple
yes,
thinking. You should think about it. Na? Whichever number will be a greater than 9, it is obviously it is a two-digit number. Simple thing. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So sometimes we'll think very complex manner, but it's very basic things we needed. So what we are going to do after having a sum, we'll just check it if the sum is a greater than a 9, not equal to 9. If it is a greater than 9, then one more time we need to add this program again.
While
everything,
Yes.
not only y, everything.
Yes.
So we'll take some other as sum will take, rm will take. Okay, so change everywhere. Otherwise, it will use upper value as well. So rm, sum, and also we need to check. Okay, now tell me which number should I use here? Suppose we are getting as a number as a 18, which is a sum. So now we to add a value for this, right? So here will be what need to
Yes.
change?
Yes.
Sum. Nah,
Some.
only when the sum is
Yes.
greater
Yes.
than 9, then we are minimizing that sum. Okay, just wait. Here it is sum is equal to sum plus rm. And what is your sum? Not not sum,
Some.
sm. Sm is equal to sm divided by 10. Okay, sum of digit up to last. Okay, let's check one again. So run as Java applications. Suppose you have an input as 1818. Okay, we something error is there, right? So it will be
Yes.
become 18, then last digit sum will be 9.
9.
So why it is having
9.
errors? Okay, let's check. Somewhere we made a mistake. Must be a mistake. There is a sum equal to 0 initially. Perfect. We are having a number something and if sum is greater than 0, means obviously it is greater than 9, then only you are entering into this. Until the sum is greater than
Yes.
0, okay, here is a mistake. What we have done, n mod 10, not n, na. What is sm mod 10? Because in sm variable we are having the number.
Yes, sir.
So let's add this number as anything, 272145. Sum will be 3. Perfect.
Yes.
Right. So now the program will
Yes, sir.
become perfect. So maybe like 8181. Right.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So after that you can add the if condition. If the sum equal to like the last sum is 9, then number is a VIP, else number is not VIP. Okay. Means here you can add the condition if this SM, this sum equal to 9, then you can just do the math. Number is VIP, NUMBER, number is VIP, ELSE, else number is not VIP. Normal number I can say that. Normal, NUMBER, just ERR. Perfect. Just go here, run as Java applications. Assume that 8181. What is it? It's a normal.
Number is VIP.
Okay, yeah. So sum is 9, so it is number is VIP. Okay, now add some number. Uh okay, many things. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's a normal number. But there is one
Yes, sir.
more problem. Just assume that if a number is 1, 2, 3, 4, then okay, one more
And
time. So let me add this 1, 1, 1, 1. What will happen in that case?
4.
Will not. Uh,
It
Once
will not
we
execute the second
oh,
one.
yeah, just because of
yes.
its 9. But in that
Yes.
case also now I would like to verify the number whether it is VIP or not.
Yes.
So
We
see,
can write before the system. the
Yeah, so
second
see,
input.
original first sum we are getting as this,
Yes.
and the second sum we are getting as it is. So at very last, what we can do, we can just this cut these conditions. We are go here, right? It may be show errors. Let me check. It is not accessible. Na sum. Okay, let's me do something. I'll just create this sum outside here. Okay, now accessible. See what I'm trying to do condition. Either this sum equal to 0, 9, or sm equal to 9. Okay. Either first iteration it will give 9, or the second iteration it will be. Then also it's fine. Means what? Suppose if I run this program, you're getting the program, right? What I'm doing? Means
Yes,
sometime
sir.
we are entering a number like
Yes, sir.
1111. It is a single digit number itself. But still we need to check, na? See, its sum means this sum. So it is a normal numbers. Otherwise, we are getting a sum of digits. So that should not be happening. Suppose now we are having 2727. Number is VIP. So yeah, got it?
Yes, sir.
So in that way, we can keep on increasing our programs by doing simple logical programs. Only a syntactical understanding is not important because Java is a big platform. So based on the problems, we can put the syntax and solve that problem. Then the real programmer you will become. Okay. So see, we are not using any complex syntax or new concept. It's all are the basic things up to now. Whatever we've done, simple. We are accepting inputs. We are using some variable, just adding some basic conditions, if else, mod, divide, basic calculations, and we are just arranging it based on our need. Okay. So this kind of programs you have to practice a lot. So I will provide you some list of logical programming. Just your job is to be find the logic to solve that problem. Okay, that you can do. Right?
Yes, sir.
Who is this? He's again joining. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So you're there or not? Means
So I was disconnected and
okay.
I'm
So
joining.
basically, we have solved this program. So it
Yes,
may
sir.
be either before we get sometime get we are entering a 1111. That is
Yes.
not a two-digit number. In that case, our
Yes.
second loop is not executing.
Yes, sir.
So in that case, what we have done, the if comparison I will taken at the last, so that either
Last.
before we'll get a sum of nines or maybe up at any
Yes.
situation it is a nine, then it is a number nines, then it is a normal number. So we are getting a
Yes, sir.
normal number because it is not entering into a second iteration. Still we are accepting. Okay. I will share you these programs. Okay. See, sometime if I like this copying these programs, just you know, and if I share you this program with you, so what will happen? This program will not open in your laptop, okay,
Yes.
or in mobile. You have to download it, save is at by default it will open into a Visual Studio Code. Or else, what you have to
Yes.
do, you have to just right click on that file and open with Notepad or you have any editor in that. Okay,
Yes.
because it's a
Yes, sir.
.java file. You try to open it directly, it will throw errors. So better way to download it, right click it, and open into some other program. We'll provide you the
Yes.
Armstrong number also, so that you can have, and the sum of digits. Perfect. Fine. So we'll summarize all the things tomorrow and we'll start some new topics. or it may be some logical programs that also we're going to solve. Okay, no problem. See you tomorrow. Bye.